Has this ever happened to you? Millions of calculus students in Mrs. Nitcher's class have come across these things called indeterminate forms. They are as follows. You go over 0, infinity over infinity, 0 times infinity, 1 to the infinity power, and 0 to 0's power. Well, for those students, do we have the product for you? The product's name is Hopital's rule, patent pending. And here's how it works. So, if you have a limit in which x approaches c, and you have the functions of f of x over g of x, you first have to assume that the derivative of g of x is not equal to 0 for all x from a to b, and except possibly at c itself. So the value that it approaches. So to find the limit, and when you're given an indeterminate form, you take the derivative of f of x divided by the derivative of g of x to get your answer. And that is Hopital's rule. Here are some real-life applications of Hopital. Patent pending. I can't solve this problem! Now with our product, here's how you solve it. And there you go. Here is a special case of Hopital's rule. What you want to do first is take the natural log of both sides of the equation. So you have natural log of y is equal to the limit of x approaches infinity, natural log of 1 plus 1 over x, the x power. You can move the x down at that point. And also move the x in front to the bottom. And these two are equivalent. And then here, if you look, you get an answer of 0 over, again, this natural log of 1 plus 0, which is equal to 0 over 0, an indeterminate form. So, we have to use Hopital's rule. From here, we take the derivative of both the top and the bottom. To get negative over x squared underneath 1 over 1 plus 1 over x times negative 1 over x squared. Now you cancel these two terms, top and bottom, to get the limit of x approaches infinity, 1 over 1 plus 1 over x. And then, taking the final limit, you get ln of y is equal to 1 over 1 plus 1 over infinity, which is equal to 1 over 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. So if you take both sides, or e to the power of both sides, you get e to the ln of y is equal to e first power, and these cancel out, so you get y is equal to e. You can get Hopital's rule for the low price of $314.15. Shipping nightly.